Mothers in the house, is your baby natural hair so long that you don't know what to do with your baby's hair? So worry no more. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can make a very simple and beautiful hairstyle for your baby with an own natural hair without adding any kind of extension. So the first thing I want you to do for me is for you to like this video, share this video, and if you have not yet followed my page, please follow my page for more video, because on this page I have a lot of video that you can learn one or two from. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you're watching this video from. Guys, the first thing you'll be doing, if your baby hair is very stubborn, I would advise first of all you use hot comb to comb your baby hair. After combing the hair, you can go ahead and add some leave-in conditioner if you have, but if you don't have, just add any kind of hair cream that you have at home. So after adding that, you'll be cutting the hairstyle. Depends on the kind of style you want. Abeg my pipo, una no vex say I dey speak big grammar o. I no even know who send me that message. I don forget say for this page na pidgin English na who take dey run am dey go. Una no vex for me abeg. So as una see am, I don already dey weave the hair one by one like this. In anything you do, make sure say you cut the line clean. Abeg, cut the line clean, and make sure say you no hold your pikin hair tight o. Hold am small small, make e no go get headache later. So as na this the way I take dey weave am, so I see am say I dey weave am one dey go back. If I don weave this back side finish now, I'll come turn to the front side, weave am go down. Yeah, I will show una the way I go take weave the front side. At this point, she say don already tire, but sister just dey keep am busy inside there. So she wan just make I just do the hair finish, make she just come down, because this girl, she no wan just like to do hair again. Mothers wey get 3 girls, 4 girls for this Europe, una dey try. I raise am for una. You guys are doing a great job. You are doing well, because only these two alone, na even Stephanie na dey even dey motivate success now to even make hair, because Stephanie, she just like to sit down make her hair. You understand? She just like to sit down make her hair. For this period though, she just like to sit down dey make her hair. So anytime wey be say I wan just make success, she go tell success say make success sit down make im hair, say e go fine, e go dey beautiful. She just dey motivate am. Na so she dey even dey keep am busy. She dey make success dey laugh for here, dey dance for her, dey carry toys, different toys, come dey give am make she take dey play. Na so come take dey do am o. I don weave the back side finish, I don enter the front side. So I go weave this front side now the same way I take weave that back side. Weave am one come outside, but I go cut one particular side so that the hair go lap well. This place so, na see the way I take cut am. You go cut am. If na this style you dey weave o, you go cut this particular place like this. You go cut am one so that by the time you weave this other side come down again, everything go lap well. But if you no cut this place, weave am one, the head no go lap well, e go come stand. So just follow the way I take dey do am. So like this, if na this particular style na you choose to make for your pikin, just follow this step, the way I take dey do am. Cut this place like this, weave am one, so that at the end of the day, everything go lap well. Na so we come dey do the hair that day. Baby sef come even dey cry, and my husband no even dey house. So at this point, I just dey do fast make I go carry baby, because him don dey cry like this. Even success sef don even tire. She say make I do fast make she come down. Na im sister na im come even dey make am dey happy, dey carry different toys come dey give am make she take dey play. At the end of the day, as we do the hair finish, him dey tell me say if papa come, him go go show him papa say him hair dey beautiful. I go go and show my daddy that my hair is very beautiful. Now say, see you, since why I say make you sit down make I make your hair, you don't want make your hair. This hair I don too grow this hair. If not, for the way this girl take dey do me, if I just say make she come make hair, she no go wan make hair. You go say you no wan make her hair. If no be say her sister dey motivate her, she no wan just come make hair again. And this her hair na don too grow this hair. I don't know the stress, I don't know the product wey I don buy for this her hair take grow this hair reach this point. So I no wan just say make I just come barb am, na im make na see am say I even dey do am. As she no wan do it, papa say just give am simple style with her natural hair, weave am so that if you even dey pour water dey put, because the sun for here sef e too much. So at this point, I don already weave the hair finish. How una see the hair? Abeg, if you never like the video, like the video. If you never follow our page, follow our page. Make sure you share this video. Thank you all so much for watching to this one. I will see you guys in my next one.